What's up guys, Logan here, and I am back with another episode of Product Prodigy. And sorry that I haven't posted a lot on Monday. I just took a break over the Thanksgiving holiday and I didn't bring my camera home at all. So I'm here now. What's up? I am going to be talking about this business card. You're probably thinking of a business card? What are you talking about, Logan? So this card is digital, and basically what that means is you make an account online and put all of your social medias, your websites, your number, your email, basically any way you can contact someone into that account. You will connect this card to a phone and it'll bring up all of that contact information. So this card is called Blue, and I found it from actually an Instagram ad. I usually don't really fall for those things. They're kind of usually pretty corny or kind of crappy products, but it looked really interesting, and I looked it up on YouTube to look at some reviews, and there was actually quite a few reviews on them, so I thought I would sign up for it. They sent me it for free. I just had to pay shipping, and now I have my own digital business card. So here is your phone. I'm not sure actually if it only works on iPhone or if it works on many different smartphones. I didn't find anywhere where it showed, but I know for sure it works on the iPhone. So here's the phone, you take the card, you place it on the back, and it pops up the little link right there. You tap it, and it pulls everything up. So on that, I have a little bio with a profile picture. It says, I'm a student brand ambassador for Kaplan Test Prep and video content creator for YouTube. Contact me through any of the networks provided below. And there's a add to contacts button. If you tap that, it'll put all of that information into a contact on your phone, so you don't have to input it in manually. So on this site, I have my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my Venmo, my PayPal, my YouTube, my phone number, and my email address. So basically any possible way you can contact me. So let's say if I'm at some networking event or something and someone wants to take down my contact information, I don't have to hold a stack of paper business cards, and I don't have to waste my money on buying those. Plus, if there's something you want to change on your business card, you can just do it straight from the website instead of having to throw all your paper cards away and buy a whole new bundle. You just have this one card and a phone, you place it on the back, it brings up the website, and there's all your contact information. So yeah, I just thought that this was so cool. I now don't really have to go out and buy a whole bunch of paper business cards. Just got this one and I'm good to go. If you're interested in this card, I can link it down below in the description so you can check it out. And that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time on Product Prodigy. Peace.